Hey guys, welcome to the course. I'm glad you guys signed up. What we're going to do today is I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Pokemon Go guide app for iPhone and for Android, and I'm going to teach you how to install advertising in it to make money. This is the exact app we're going to build. I've already made this, I've already launched it, and I recorded myself step by step so that you can follow along to build your own. Alright, I'm going to show you, this is the home page here. I'm going to show you how I created this, how I uploaded this top graphic, how I created these different menu pages, and if you click inside, I'm going to show you how to create these pages with the tips. I'm also going to show you exactly where to get these tips and tricks from. Even if you don't know anything about the game, there's so much information on the internet now that I'm going to show you the top sites to get these tips and tricks from so you can copy and paste them inside your app. Alright, I'm going to show you, I built about 8 or 9 pages for this initial app. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so that you can continue to build more pages as more tips and tricks come out. Alright, that's up to you, how you want to build your app. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to quickly show you exactly what you're going to need to get started here. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to get a developer account with Google and Apple. Alright, so Google charges $25 one-time fee to become a developer. Alright, that just allows you to create listings in the Google Play Store. Alright, the next thing is Apple. Apple charges $99 per year for their membership to become a developer. Now, it's not critical you could do both. Alright, if you want to get started on one, I would do Google for $25. They have about 75% of the marketplace right now, and depending on how popular the iPhone is coming out here soon in September, you know, that maybe is going to be a bit more, a bit less, who knows. But I know that Note 7 that's coming out here is going to be pretty killer, so I would choose going with Google for now. Alright, you can always join Apple later on down the road. The next thing you're going to need is Google Admob account. A Google Admob account is Google's pay-per-click software, not software, but their partnership program, and they pay 68% of advertising revenue to you. All right, it's free to join. You basically just copy and paste your code into your apps, and you make money every month. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about building each one of these, and so that way you can just get started, step by step, learn it, and implement each step as we need it. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this cool software that I use to make apps. It's called the Ultimate App Maker. This is the way that I go about making apps without coding. Alright, I'm going to show you how to sign up for free on this so you don't have to worry about paying for this right away. If you want to go ahead and publish your app and you want to make the app, they do charge for that. I believe it starts at $19 a month. But again, that's the next step going down the road. I'm going to show you how to build this step by step so that you get a Google account, Apple account, Admob, and so you can build a guide like this and hopefully get 1 million to 5 million downloads, just like this app has, within the next couple months. I look forward to working with you guys here and showing you exactly how I'm doing this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get started.